Hey, I'm Josh Strecker with T1V, and I want to show you our multi-site solution. So multi-site is done through ThinkHub, which is visual collaboration. ThinkHub allows you to have lots of different kind of content on one virtual canvas, and being able to manipulate the content, annotate upon it, all of those things. But with multi-site, you can have up to 10 separate multi-site ThinkHubs connecting into one. So although these are two different systems and they happen to be right next to each other, they could be miles apart, countries apart even, and you can have them share the same space. So I've already started a multi-site session here, and all I have to do for the second device is I can just join that multi-site session, and now in an instant, this content is showing up, and whatever I do on one, I'm doing on the other. And that can mean me being able to draw, and it's drawing in real time over here. So it really allows people, especially for executive decision making, people who might not have time to do a lot of back and forth, they can see content in real time through multi-site. Thanks so much for joining me. You can get more information at t1v.com.